Croeso i Westy St David's. Welcome to the St David's Hotel ar gyfer yr enw allan o'r het ar gyfer trydydd rownd Cwpan Cymru mewn cydweithrediad â Tenovus. Welcome to the St David's Hotel here in Cardiff, the team hotel ahead of the preparation for the European Championship Qualifier against Belgium next Sunday. We're delighted to say that the national team manager Chris Coleman has taken time out from the preparation to take part in the draw alongside the head of competitions Andrew Howard. Andrew Howard sef pennaeth cystadlaethau wrth yn bodde, but Chris Coleman gyda ni ar gyfer yr enwau allan o'r het. The numbers to look out for maybe number 16, Dinamo Aber and Tiger Bay, two of the lowest ranked clubs in the competition still, and number 32, the New Saints TNS, of course, the holders of the competition after beating Aberystwyth in last season's exciting final at Wrexham. I'll hand over to Chris to do the honours. Chris, thank you.
That's Conwy Borough.
Number 7.
And they will play Britain Ferry, Llansamble or Aberdare Town, which will be played this Saturday.
20.
That's Gresford Athletic, who were 2-1 winners over Llanfair United on Saturday.
31.
And they'll play St Asaph City, who were 1-0 winners over Melodon.
6.
That's Bangor City, so a home tie at Nantporth for the 3 times winners since 2008.
30.
And they will play the winner of the Risky United or Garden Village tie.
Number 8.
That's Buckley Town. They enjoyed a 6-0 win over Waterloo on Saturday.
22.
And they'll play Holywell Town, who of course got to the semi-final last year.
Number 5.
That's Bala Town, beaten finalists last year. Semi-finalists, sorry.
Will play 27.
And they will play Port Talbot Town, so an all Corbett Sports Welsh Premier League tie there.
Number 13.
That's Kevin Druids. They won the competition way back in 1879.
Number 1.
And they'll play last season's beaten finalists Aberystwyth Town.
Number 2.
That's Avon Lido. Beat Marshfield on Friday evening.
Will play number 23.
And they'll play Llanreda and Mochnant, who were 2-1 winners over Brickfield.
Number 25.
That's a home draw for Newtown at Latham Park.
Number 17.
And they'll play FC Nomads of Connors Quay.
Number 16.
That's Dynamo Aber or Tiger Bay, so a home draw for the Minnows.
Number 10.
And they'll play Caersus. The Bluebirds beat Llanberis on Saturday.
Number 18.
That's Gap Connors Quay.
Number 24.
And they'll play Monmouth Town or Penabont.
Number 4.
That's Albion Rovers or Undy Athletic.
Number 12.
And they'll play Carmarthen Town, the 2006-07 champions.
Number 11.
That's Cardiff Met University, who beat Ammanford 3-2 with a last-minute winner.
Number 28.
And they will play Prestatyn Town, the 2012-13 winners.
Number 29.
That's a home draw for Rill at the Corbett Sports Stadium.
Number 19.
And they'll play Goitre United of the Welsh League.
Number 3.
That's Airbus UK Broughton, so home draw for Andy Priest.
Number 21.
And they'll play Haverfordwest County, who won 2-1 against Raider on Saturday.
Number 9.
That's Carnarvon Town, so a home draw for Lee Dixon's side at the Oval.
Number 32.
And they'll play TNS, the current holders.
Number 26.
That's Penryn Coch, so a home draw for Gary Lewis's team.
We'll play number 15.
And they will play Cwmbran Celtic or Caerau Ely. And that concludes the draw. Our thanks to Chris for helping us today, and those ties will be played over the weekend of 28th, 29th or 30th of November.